Joe Hewitt here, who's our personal trainer and an exercise physiologist. So he's taken me through some exercises at the gym today, and some of them had to do with the abs. So those are the ones I'm showing you today. Now, I'm not the perfect little specimen, I'm just an ordinary person. And, but these are ones you can either do in the gym or at home. And of course, you could maybe ask your doctor before you start any kind of exercises. But Joe, why is it so important to work on the abs?
First and foremost, the abs it's a large muscle group, just like your quads, your hamstrings, and your legs. It needs to be worked just the same as any other muscle in order to get stronger. And then not only that, but your core muscles and the intrinsic abdominal muscles are used for basically every exercise we do. From, you know, a one leg, one arm shoulder press, anything where there's any instability throughout the body,
Yeah.
the abs are going to help stabilize that, and that's why it's very important that they got to be one of the strongest muscles in the body.
So for us who live up in the north, that would be maybe if we slip on the ice, we're more likely to be able to catch ourselves because our abs are strong.
It would help,
Would help.
a little bit as a recovery muscle, or as a, you know, it's going to help stabilize once the initial fall goes, that the abs are going to be that much quicker to react and help stabilize your body.
Okay, maybe the strength in your legs is going to help you.
That your legs more so in the fall, of course.
And then if you're lucky to live in San Diego or somewhere, then maybe you're going to be better when you're surfing and all of that.
Of course.
Well, that's good. So today, if you can, do some abs. You can do them on the ball, exercise ball, all kinds of things. And hope you enjoy this little video.